Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, weekly, the Lion King. Where's the Lion King, guys? Lion King. Ang laki ng grand guys, oh, $18. Ay, 18,000. Sige, wait sa. So, we're gonna play just 75 cents and it's a $1 dinom. So, may maraming dinom ito guys. Pwede siya ng 2 dinom, 5 dinom, 10 dinom. But mahirap kayo kasi $20 yung pera natin. 1 dinom lang tayo at saka 75 cents. Alright, let's go! Come on! Let's get that bonus. So we need 6 of those pearl numbers guys. Yung puti. Yun uy! Isa na like kuwang! Unta! Sayang. And then we need that 3 of those. Come on! Uy, tomorrow! Oh, it's shake! It's shake, guys. So, may 6. So, yan. Bonus yan. So, which is good. We got the bonus. So, 6 na ganun. So, mag-shake pala yun. So, magbibigay sila. So, come on! Maria, make... Oh. Come on! Ah! We need 1 more spin. Yes, 3 more spin. Come on. Let's do it. Let's see guys kung hanggang kailan ang ating $20 nilalagay natin sa machine. Yes, that's our 3rd spin and binigyan tayo ng bonus. Nag-shake yung machine natin. Thank you, Raster. Come on, do it. Last more spin. Save it, save it. Yes! We got more spend. Come on. Pag napuno natin lahat yan guys, makukuha natin yung grand. At ang yung grand is 18,000 yung grand niya. Come on, let's make it full. So lahat yan. Yan lang yung panalo natin. Yan. 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 Sus, magkano kaya yan? So nasa 1 cents tayo. So $5, $6, $9, 50 cents, $1, at saka 50 cents. Not too bad. May panalo tayo ng $11 so far sa 3 spend lang. So, let's do it! Hanggang kailan kayong $20 natin? Okay. Alright. Let's move on. Come on. Let's get that bonus feature. Come on. 2 more! 4 more! Dapat 6 na pearl balls ang kailangan natin. At saka 3 doors. Yan, yung doors na yan, 3 na ganyan. Oh, dili pala, bridge pala yan. 3 bridge. Then 6 na balls. So come on, let's do it. Ganyan na guys. May ganito sila. Guri mo na po si. Ganyan mo na nasa. Ganyan. Ato naman ang bakal. Masya kita ka naganam ito. Come on, let's do it! Come on guys, we need it! 4 more! 2 more! Oh, shake it! So nakita nyo yung roaster guys. Yan yung roaster na yan. Pag nag-shake yan, kahit 4 lang, ibigyan tayo ng 2 or shake it! Ooh! Same kanina na nag-shake siya, binigyan tayo ng 2 pearls. Yan. Kahit 1 pearls na nag-shake yan, magbibigay yan. So, 3 more. Ooh! My God! Magkano na lang yung pera natin, Maria? Tignan natin o mag-double yung natin. So, mag-stop tayo pag mag-double yung pera natin, guys. So far, $18 na lang yung pera natin. Come on! Come on, Roaster. Tignan nyo yan si Roaster, guys. So, Roaster, get that bonus, Roaster. Come on! Ay! 1 more! We need 6 of those. Isa na lang. Bakit? So, mag-stop tayo, guys, pag nag-ano na yung pera natin, $10. Mag-change tayo ng ibang machine. Come on, Dragon! We need that door bonus. Where's that door bonus? Huh? Oh, the bridge pala. Yung bridge.
You can get bonus this one.
Yan oh. Come on, let's get a bonus. My God, hindi tayo... Shake it! Hindi man nag-shake. Lion King, you're so bad, Lion King.
Last one?
Di naman yan, Lion Roaster man yan. Sige, tapusin na lang natin yung 20 natin. Baka, uy, come on. Bakit?
Always one more.
Bakit? Isa na lang.
Always, ano siya, always missing one.
Missing one. Nagtitis lang si Kuan, si Roaster. Come on, Roaster.
20. Oh, no.
Roaster, bakit? Bakit ka ganun? Bakit? Mag-shake ka!
Mag-ano na siya, no?
Mag-random. Magkatugong nag-shake go, di ba? O, apat lang yun. Then nag-shake siya. So, dalawa binigyan tayo. Sige na. So far, $5 na yung natira sa pera natin, guys. Wala tayong nila yung link. Come on, 3 more! Shake it! Ah! Wala na tayong pera, guys. $4 na lang natira sa pera natin. Ano ba to? Lugi na naman tayo.
Kausara kita doon si Lugia.
One time lang ito nagkuha ng bonus. Hindi na talaga
Padayon
nagbayad.
mo?
Random pa yun.
Di ba sampang?
Oo.
My goodness.
Wala na talagang
Siguro
pag-asa.
magpadako na siya 150.
Wala na. One spend na lang.
Yeah, that's it.
Oo, binigyan pa tayo ng 75 cents. Come on, shake it. Oo, hindi talaga siya nag-shake. Come on, shake it. Shake it. Oo.
Oh, may ano ka pa.
Nag-ano lang, may one spin. Oh. Yan na lang talagang buhay natin. So, yung pera natin, 70 cents. So, lugi tayo sa $20 natin, guys. Bye! Bye! Thanks for watching! So, yan ang pera natin. So, hindi tayo... Nasaan na ba yung pera natin? Ito na lang yung pera natin, 70 cents. Hindi tayo, panalo today. So, better luck next time naman tayo, mga inday, mga induy. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And please, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. And let me know what do you want me to play a slot machine so I can play as long as it's a low budget lang kasi tayo, guys. So pag gusto nyo akong mag-play ng ibang machines, let me know para makapag-play ako niyan. And if may budget ako, why not, diba? So right now I'm just started my YouTube channel. So nag-ano pa ako, guys, wala pa tayong puhunan na malaki para mag high roller. So mag-ano muna tayo, low roller. Kaya 75 cents lang tayo, 50 cents for now. Pag may sahod na tayo ng YouTube, baka mag $10 na tayo, guys, mag $75, o diba? Alright, so nandito pala tayo sa LNA Casino in Washington State sa America, guys. So dito ako nakatira for 11 years na. So, bago lang akong naging sugarol dito sa Amerika. So far, we're still okay living. Hindi pa rin kami naghihingi ng pera kahit kanino. Kasi mga responsable tayong na sugarol. So, wag tayong maging addicted sa sugal, guys. So, be responsible and be smart. Kung pwede, wag na lang kayo magsugal. Kung may pera lang kayo, yun lang. Pag may may extra kayo na budget, pag may extra kayo na savings, and then why not go play, and you don't know your luck, but not too much. Alright, guys, I'm signing off. Your host, Bisayang Sugarol, dito sa Amerika, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.